Our homeowner loves Florida and wants her yard to protect it.
I am the lucky homeowner.
So we designed a new landscape that will reduce stormwater runoff and install a water-efficient irrigation system.
There we go. Good job, Brian. Drip tube works.
We install a clay pavered pathway to match this historic home.
It's going to hold its color.
It will.
It's not going to fade.
And it doesn't require a sealer.
Then it's off to Rain Barrel Art School.
So rainwater comes off the roof, down the downspout, into this rain barrel, overflows into the next, this one.
We drill down on some beautiful Florida-friendly plants you can use for your landscape.
And this is an absolute bee party. Wild bees, non-native bees, honeybees love this plant.
And of course, the big reveal.
Remove your glasses.
Oh my God!
All this and more on Flip My Florida Yard.